Hi everyone, welcome back to High Five Podcast. I'm Leon and the person next to me is Maulana.
Hi.
We will be your host for today's episode.
Today we have a special episode featuring 3 amazing guest stars from different fields. Don't forget to follow this podcast on your favorite platform and hit the subscribe button and also like this video.
In this episode, we'll hear inspiring story from 3 incredible professionals. First one is who create the most popular thrift store around, and the second one is the owner of famous Padang restaurant with brands everywhere.
And the last one is the founder of the top-selling game top-up platform, and we'll dive into their career journeys, the challenges they faced, and how they achieved success in their respective fields.
Sitting here with us today, there are 3 successful entrepreneurs who are well known in the community. But unfortunately, one of us will be here a bit late. While waiting for Mr. Abi, let's continue the conversation first.
First up is Mas Damar, a name of many of you probably know. But for those who don't know, Mas Damar is the owner of one of the biggest thrift stores in Indonesia and one of the pioneers of the thrift business here.
So, Mas Damar, before reaching this level of success, were there any particular up and down you faced? Could you share with us how your career starts and what got you to this point?
Sure. Before starting my thrift business, I worked in a mining company in the admin department. I have always loved collecting limited edition branded items, and over time, I accumulated a pretty big collection. After leaving the company, I met a friend who was also into collecting branded items, and he told me that this item could be resold for a high price. That sparked the idea of starting a business. I began selling off my collection, and after that, I buy new limited edition piece to sell. At first, I just sold to friends, family, and neighbor. But when the pandemic hit, I started selling online through live streaming. It was a game changer. The live stream brought in a lot of income, and soon enough, I was able to open a physical thrift store. Over the years, the business kept growing, and now I have opened several brands, making us one of the biggest thrift store in Indonesia.
Wow, that was amazing story from Mas Damar. And next up, we have Mas Aji, the owner of everyone favorite dish. Yes, that's right. Nasi Padang.
Yeah, Mas Aji took over his family's business, which was on the verge of closing down. But thanks to his efforts, it's thriving now. So, Mas Aji, can you tell us how you managed to turn around your father's business, which was nearly bankrupt?
My parents started the Padang restaurant back in 2013 when I was still in middle school, but by 2020, the business hit hard times like debt issue and of course the pandemic, which caused the business to collapse. At the time, I was in college, but because of our financial situation, I decided to drop out and focus on helping my family. I went back to Padang to learn how to make the fish shapes and spice. And by late 2021, I was ready to restart the business. After 6 months, I had an idea, list the restaurant on GoFood, so people could order without physically coming to the restaurant, especially since it was still during the pandemic. As business picked up, food viewers began coming to try our dishes and posted their flavors on TikTok, which helped spread the word. Now, There's year later, we have expanded to 17 branches across Indonesia.
Wow, that's very touching story from Mas Aji. Thank you so much, Mas Aji.
Yes.
Now we will continue to Mr. Abi, but since he's still not coming, we will take a break and continue later. See you guys.
So welcome back guys, and the next up we have someone, the gamer out there with definitely low, and the name is Good Abi. Formerly a professional gamer, and he now owns Nayapedia, an online game top-up platform that hugely popular, especially among the young gamer.
So bro, what made you start a game top-up business? I mean, from what I know, streaming alone could have been enough to make a good income. But why you branch out into this new venture, which at the time no one else had really explored?
Okay, let's rewind a bit. I started streaming in 2018 when a new mobile game was released. I hit my first 100,000 subscribers in 2018, which was a huge milestone for me. That's when things really start to take off. I got endorsement from big brands, and people even donate to me during streams. At the point, I did something silly during a stream that went viral, and that's pushed my channel to grow even more. Now I have 5 million subscribers, but I start thinking, what if sometimes happen to my channel? I didn't want to really solely on stream for income, so I began looking for other opportunities. That's when I thought about opening a game top-up store. Initially, I only offered top-ups for the mobile game I played, but I gradually added more games. I promoted the store during my stream and offered discount to attract more buyers. Over time, the store took off, and now I stream just for fun. It's not my main source of income anymore.
Thank you so much for sharing your story, Mas Abi. That was freaking cool. Speaking of digital transactions, you are not just a pioneer in the gaming world, but also a visionary in how we approach payments today. Your Nayapedia platform has truly changed the way gamers interact with their favorite games, and it's great to see how you've embraced innovation. And on that note, who has not heard e-money by now? It's become an essential part of daily life, whether it's for shopping, paying bills, or making in-game purchases. Platforms like yours, Mas Abi, have made digital transactions so much easier and accessible for everyone.
So that's wrap up our interview, which thanks to Mas Aji, Mas Damar, and Mas Abi for their inspiring story. The journey will remind us all that success requires hard work, innovation, and willingness to adapt to change. We hope their story inspired young people to keep pushing forward no matter the obstacle. So that's all for today episode on achieving success at young age. Don't forget to check out more of our content on your favorite social media platform. My name is Leon.
My name is Maulana.
See you next time. Let's go.